Hey Jags, we're back for another episode of CVTV. I'm Sage and I'm here with
Mo
and Davina.
We have a special episode this week as we at CVTV Weekly have prepared a few shorts just for you.
Up first, we have Selena cooking vegan breakfast burritos.
This is great if you ever have a hard time looking for vegan options.
Next up, we have our Canyon View Student of the Month, Jacob Fisher.
Hi, I'm Jacob Fisher, and I'm a senior at Canyon View, and I won Student of the Month. And first off, I want to thank the teachers and the principal for voting me as the Student of the Month. And what Student of the Month means to me is you work hard and you respect people and you respect your teachers, and you show good leadership and you have good talent and you have good manners, and also you show kindness to others, and you do good in class. You always get straight A's, and you always want to work hard, and you always want to make sure you're always respecting those around you, and taking care of our community, and picking up trash, and always helping others that need your help. You're basically their superhero, and you're there for everyone, and you're always so kind and generous to help, and you're always helping your friends if they're ever getting bullied. If they need your help, then you help them, and you always show kindness everywhere you go. Anywhere or anyone you see, you should always tell them, hey, put a smile on your face, and have a good attitude, and always there's always room to improve your grades, and have a good mentality of good grades and good attitude every day. So every day, just be yourself, and don't let anyone change you, and just be you, and work hard than anyone else in school who don't want to work hard as you, and always just show kindness and respect. I'm Jacob, and I just won Student of the Month. Bye.
Congrats on winning this award, Jacob.
For our next segment, Zahra will be showing us the day in the life of a campus security guard.
Hello everyone, I'm Zahra Mohseni and I'm joined today by Tanner. He is a security guard at our school. I'm going to be asking him a couple questions just to get to know him a little bit better. So, hi Tanner, how's your day going?
Good, how was yours?
It's going really good. So, I'll just start shooting my questions.
Okay.
So, what made you want to work here at the school?
I wanted to coach football here, so this is easier for me.
Okay, that's good. As a kid, what was your dream job?
Coaching football. It's all going to be cool.
What's your favorite part of your job?
Probably interacting with kids. You guys are all right.
How do you like interacting with us students?
Most of you are pretty cool. It's like maybe 2% that are a little annoying, but you're one of them. Other than that, you guys are pretty cool.
What do you do outside of your job?
Just football. Football 24/7.
It's just like me. And what is something that we students could do to make your job a bit easier?
Probably go to class. That would be nice. And stop vaping in the bathrooms. Those 2 things would be good.
Okay, and I'm just gonna ask like a few personal questions just to, your personality. What's your favorite music genre?
I don't really have a favorite. I kind of listen to anything. Jack Johnson's my favorite singer, so I guess alternative rock.
What is your favorite thing to do when you're bored?
Watch football. Any sports.
Okay, and then what is your dream vacation?
Dream vacation? Like, I don't know. I like San Diego a lot. Disneyland's cool. I don't know. I'm pretty simple.
All right, thank you. That's it. Thanks for your interview.
That's all we have for this week, Jags.
See you all next week.